Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this part. So it is a beginner friendly exercise so that you guys learn something new. So what we are going to do is we are going to make this part and learn how to use these various drawing dimensions as beginner face lot of issues. So let's see. So first question, that when you see diagram like this, first question that comes to your mind, what should I make first thing? So if you look at it, you can see that the width is same throughout. So you can make these two circles and combine it and this part as well. So let's see how to do it. So I will select the front plane, click on sketch. Now I will draw two circles. So the bigger circle diameter is 48 what? 48 mm. All my dimensions are in mm, but in case if someone from America and England, you can change it as per your requirements. Okay, and the diameter of this outer one is 26. For those who wonder what is mean by phi, phi means diameter. If in case of phi r is written, it means radius. Now the distance from here, from center to center, it will be 55. You can see. So 55, escape, select this point, and by pressing Ctrl select this one, make it horizontal. Now I have to draw a center line of with 6 mm. So what I will do, I will do some smart work. Draw a center line here, press escape, select this line, click on offset entities, type 3, click on bidirectional. So what is happening, it goes 3 mm upward, 3 mm downwards. So total width is 6. Okay, uh, so wait a minute. So click OK. You can see 3 mm here, 3 mm here. Okay, now what I will do, I will basically trim entities, and I have to create hole as well. So hole diameter is 32 mm. Similarly, there is a hole here. So this hole diameter is 32 mm diameter, and here it is 14. Okay, now there is also some downward side. So let's see. So I will draw a center line like this, escape, and what is the width thickness? 30. So I will draw a corner point rectangle here, make its width 30 mm, and this cut, there's some two lines. So I will click on offset and this, select this line, and this is 5, so 2.5. Click OK and close it, and let's see what's left. 30 mm is okay. uh, then I will let onwards from center to this dimension. So what I will do right now, click on here, trim entities, press Ctrl Z. So basically what's happened, so these lines are not touching to it. So what I can do is I will do some smart work, action entities, similarly extend these entities. Now I will use strip command, 30. Also cut this line. Okay, now what I will do, go here, extrude. Click on selected counter. Select this one, and this one. Instead of blind, click on midplane. Make the thickness 20 mm. Click OK. So we have reached near about half of it. Now I need these things. So what I can do, I will select the front plane again. Click on sketch. Now this is a 6 mm width and 7 mm from here. So I will do some smart work and we will, we will be able to do it. So this line goes from here to here. Escape. By pressing Ctrl select these lines. Click on convert entities. Click on trim entities. Trim this line as well. Go to the features, extrude. How much? 6 mm. Click OK. Now I want downward side as well. So what I can do is, instead of making sketch from scratch, I will use mirror. You can also do this part in the sketch mode if you want, but it's up to you. Now there's a hole, so select this face, click on sketch. So the hole diameter is 5.5, which means 5 mm. Escape, select this point and this point, make it this, and distance from here to here is 10 mm. Okay, and there is one more thing I was not able to understand. What is mean by 7 here? 10 and 7. Click on extrude cut through all. Okay. So yeah, that's it. For someone is wanting it is 7 mm from here. Let's measure it. So I will go to the evaluate, measure, select this face and this face. Notice the distance is 7 mm. 7 mm. So yeah, I have done some smart work, so that doesn't kind of do, And just to know, if you ever go to the interviews or CAD modeling, so they will not see how fast you make the CAD model. They will see how less commands you have used. Higher the commands, higher it will, take burden on your PC or simulation times. So always try to do in less steps. For example, remember this mirror command. I don't need to use it. I can do this in, sketch work. And for example, this part and this part both made in can be made in sketchworks, so I don't need it. And this whole assembly or part can be made just in three three features. So always try to make your models in lesser feature as possible, because it shows how good you are. So that's for all. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kinds of doubts and queries, feel free to ask questions, and thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.